own a hotel business and I have created this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant that replies to all my customer queries on WhatsApp with all the right information. Yes, you heard it right. Here on my screen, you can see a conversation between my customer and my business WhatsApp number where I've connected my WhatsApp assistant. Here, my customer has sent the text as, "Hey, I need help," and you can see a proper reply sent by my AI assistant. Then the customer has asked, "Please share price list for rooms," and you can see a proper reply sent by the WhatsApp assistant. Then the customer has asked, "How early should I book?" and you can see a proper reply sent by the AI assistant. Not only this, if I ask a new question that says, "Do you charge any advance booking amount?" then also you can see a proper reply has been received by our AI assistant. And here I've set up this amazing AI assistant for my own business using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this amazing AI assistant for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo, select this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. And here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on a YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the tutorials available on a YouTube channel or in the description box below. Alright, here as you know that we are going to learn how you can create an AI assistant for your business. So we are going to access the feature of AI assistant available over here. Now under this AI assistant, you can see the total number of assistants, number of active and number of inactive assistants in my account. To create a new one, click on this add button, and here you need to give a name to your assistant and then click on this add button. By doing so, you are going to get directed to a flow window like this. And here as you know that I've already created this AI assistant for my own business. So now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this AI assistant without wasting your time. So first you need to select the instruction type from the drop down. First option is custom prompt. If you want, you can add your own prompt, or else you can use some predefined examples such as AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, and many more. For now I've selected AI agent, and as soon as you're going to select the instruction type, some basic instructions will be updated over here. You can add more as per your requirement. Then comes AI configuration. First one is temperature. It says set how creative the answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. I wanted to receive more focused answers, so I've set it as 0.4. For AI to use, I've used OpenAI, and for the model I've selected GPT 5.2 from the drop down. You can select it as per your requirement. Then comes the API key. So here you need to add your paid account's OpenAI key in order to connect the API key inside your AI assistant. To get the API key, click on this hyperlink available over here, and it will direct you to the API keys window of your OpenAI account. Here I easily got directed because I was already logged into my account in the same browser. From here, click on this create new secret key, give a name to your key, select the project, and click on this create secret key. By doing so, you are going to receive an API key. Copy that key and add it over here. Click on this connect button, and automatically your API key will be added inside your AI assistant. Now let's move forward to the assistant settings. First one is header message. Here to add one, turn on this button, and here you can add your header text. Maximum of 60 characters are allowed. Same goes with the footer message as well. For now, I don't want to add any. Then comes the stop keywords. It says enter the keywords that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. So let's understand the settings with the help of an example. Let's suppose that I want to add my keyword as human. For that, we're going to type the keyword first and press an enter to make it a valid keyword. Now, whenever my user is going to send this keyword on my WhatsApp chat, instantly my assistant is going to stop stop replying to that chat and the chat is going to get intervened. That means only a human can reply to that chat further. This is how stop keyword works. Then comes the retry attempt. Here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the assistant fails to respond. Valid range is 1 to 10. Then comes the fallback message. So it says enter the message shown when the assistant is unable to reply. So basically whenever the API fails to respond correctly, then this fallback message is sent on our customer's WhatsApp chat. Here I've used a default one where I've added my support ID that says feel free to ask at support@test.com. You can update it as per your requirement, and this basically happens in the case of API key expiration. Then comes the knowledge source. It is the most important section of your AI assistant. By providing a knowledge source, your assistant will reply to all your customer queries very correctly and promptly. Here I've already created a document where I've added all my business details. You need to download such data in PDF format or in a plain text format because only these formats are supported inside Pabbly Chatflow. I would recommend you to download the file in a plain text format because PDF has some limitations. Once you have a file, upload the same over here and you are all done. Then here let's move towards the assistant interface. First one is display heading name. Here you need to add your brand name. I have added mine. You can add it as per your requirement. Then comes the subheading. Here I've used a default one. You can update it as per your requirement. And then comes the initial message. It says enter each message in a new chat bubble. You can add 2 initial message. You can add the messages as per your requirement, else it is not a required field. Then comes display the powered by Pabbly label. You can simply disable this label by selecting disable option from the drop down. For now I'm going to keep it as enable only. Then comes footer text and footer link. So businesses use this concept to create their privacy policy hyperlink. If you don't want to create an hyperlink, then you can simply add a footer text and it will be shown as text only. For now I've used the sample details. Then comes the user first message. It says this message is sent to WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So basically, as you know that I started my conversation with my assistant as hey, I need help. So this is the user first message over here. Alright, let's move towards the styling section. Here you can change the theme mode to light or dark. Then you can change the shape to circle, square, or rounded square. Then you can change background color, text color, WhatsApp button colors, and many more. For now I've used the basic ones. Then here you can upload a header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and a background picture as well. For now I've not uploaded any media. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of creating a WhatsApp AI chatbot for your hotel business. Now once we have created this assistant, you need to activate it by enabling this button. Click on the save button to save the entire process that you have performed till now, and using embed option you can add this assistant on your websites as well. Now once the assistant is created, you need to assign the same to your WhatsApp chats as well. So here to assign the assistant to your WhatsApp chats in bulk, you need to access the inbox settings from the settings section. From here scroll a little down and here you can see in the last we have received the option of AI auto reply settings. From here enable the auto reply, select the contact list from the drop down and select the assistant that you want to assign. Click on the save button and automatically your assistant will be assigned to all those contacts who lie under the specific contact list. This is how you can assign your assistant to your WhatsApp chats in bulk. Now let me tell you that you can also assign your assistant to a single WhatsApp chat as well. For that, click on this inbox section, select a particular WhatsApp chat, turn on this assistant button and select the assistant that you want to assign. This is how you can assign your assistant to a single WhatsApp chat as well. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of creating a WhatsApp AI assistant for your hotel business. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.